Hey, what's up guys? This is Josh with Lead and Iron. This video is kind of a cool video. Ray from Legendary Ray, I'll link his YouTube channel in the description, sent me a package. He said it was my Christmas present and to open it. Kind of strange getting packages that I didn't order, but anyway, thank you, Legendary Ray. I really appreciate it. I'm kind of nervous to open this on camera because I kind of know his sense of humor. But anyway, let's open this up and see what we got. Alright. And it came in this package, and I can tell you already that it says Vegeta on it. This is gonna be cool. So, one thing we talked about is doing a Vegeta build for a computer build, and he has a Brawly build. Like, we started it, and we haven't finished the video quite yet because we did change cases, and then he did add some stuff from V1 Tech. So we're going to go back and collaborate with that video to show you the finished product, and so far I can tell you it's awesome. It's an amazing build. The people at V1 really do fantastic work. So, and I've only seen it through pictures and videos that he has sent me, so I can imagine what it looks like in real life. So I'll probably end up going there tomorrow, take my gear, and then we'll kind of finish it. We'll show you how to upload windows and stuff like that. So it should be exciting. So I'm going to open this now. Okay, I don't want to cut too deep because, and oh, this is Vegito. Okay, so check that out, guys. NANI? It says Vegito on there. Alright, well, excited.
Hello, Smithy.
He turned me really on into Dragon Ball, so
we've
been watching Dragon Ball for years and years and years. Oh man, this is freaking cool. Oh. You just see me kind of nerd out about Vegeta, right? You know, like, the box art is actually pretty freaking awesome. Like, you could see him just kind of holding his arm in that iconic pose, you know, and it goes to blue. Okay, this is pretty cool. Like, this can sit in a case. It's big enough, or I should say small enough to fit in a case. You got me good on this one. I'm not even gonna lie. This is pretty awesome, actually. So now I gotta get him back. Alright guys, check this out. So when I complete my build, I'm going to put this in, and I'll show you some like details of what we're going to do for it. But this is going to go in the case. He's obviously what is known as Blue Evolution. This is pretty cool. I really appreciate this. This is actually like awesome. Like, I can't even, like, it's so cool that something this minute can really, can change your day a little bit. So, check that out, guys. This is, like, again, like I said, this is from Legendary Ray. I'll link his channel in the description below. This was just like an unboxing gift video. And I really like making these kind of videos because this is something that somebody took the time to think about you and to think about, you know, like the builds or even like your projects that are coming up, and they took the time to remember those details and added something for it. So I really appreciate it. I thank you so much. This is really cool. I really like This is pretty badass. Anyway, guys, I really appreciate you spending this little bit of time with me, doing this unboxing gift video. In a later video, we will make what is going into this build and show you like the case and the stuff that we're going to use and the components. But this is already one piece that you guys get to see. Pretty cool. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are Dragon Ball Z fans. I think it's just kind of like cool to. It's a cartoon to get you away from everything, and it's kind of like it's fun stuff. So, yeah. So be on the lookout. Vegeta build coming. Thank you guys for joining. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful week. Have a wonderful weekend. And I appreciate the time. So I gotta go, guys, because my back hurts.